Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Alright y'all, so today is going to be a subscription unboxing. I got Ipsy in a couple of days ago, and I'm waiting on my other ones, so... Ew. That's gross. Part of my bag was taped to the tape. That's really gross. Ew. Alright, and now it won't come out. Y'all see that? Oh my god. Okay, well whatever. My mom already got hers the other day, and ooh, I got the same brush she did, except mine is like squished. It's squishy. Okay, so this is like a super cute bag. And this is like a unicorn thingy. It's like a fan brush. And markers for my bag, which I may give to my niece, you know. Okay, and the first thing I see is this pore minimizing cleanser, which I'm probably not going to use. I don't really have enlarged pores. You can barely see my pores. Come on, Ipsy, get with it. I'm probably not going to use this, and my husband won't use it. Oh, dear God. Gonna have to do the quiz again. And then the second thing I see is this Goldfaden MD Really? I mean, did they get my bag mixed up with somebody else? This is for oily and acne prone skin. And what kind of skin do I have? Not. Solution Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. I mean, I guess it might be okay if I'm having a breakout, but I really don't even have breakouts. It says Dr. Goldfaden's purifying mask effectively draws out bacteria and pore clogging debris, revealing clearer, blemish-free skin. Might use it. I might use it on a time when I do have a breakout, which is like next to never. And so I got 4 products, two of which I don't know that are even going to work for me. This is not good. Okay, so Steve Laurent lip oil. Okay, I might like this. Can't even get it out of the box. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. It's called, the color called Orchid Lip Gloss. Okay. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and just put it on. That's pretty, though. Did y'all get that? Or did y'all get anything like that? Alright. Feels good and hydrating. A little bit sticky, though. Not too big a fan of that, but it's okay. Oh, and there's another item. Oh, and I got the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. My mom got this too. I barely even saw it in the bag. Here is a swatchy swatch. Hello. Okay, and I don't see anything else. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that bag was not my favorite. My most favorite thing in the box, or in the bag so far, was, I guess, the lip oil. But of course I like the brush. I'll probably use that too, and maybe the eyeliner. It's gonna depend on if I like it or not, obviously. I don't know, but the 2 things for oily skin, I don't have oily skin. I'm gonna have to go on and do the quiz again. I'm kind of disappointed. I love Ipsy, but this month they kind of disappointed me, because I don't even know if I'll get to use any of these products. I like the lip oil, but whatever. Well, this was a short-lived video. I got 5 products, but, you know, I don't even know if I can use these 2 products. They're for oily skin and pore minimizing, and these are just not for me. I don't mean to be a negative Nancy, but that's just how it is. I don't have oily skin. I don't have big pores, so I'm not probably going to use those. And these are like, I don't know, whatever. What did y'all get in your Ipsy bag? Did y'all get a good one? If so, let me know. I'd love to know what you got. Alright, y'all, so I guess that's the end of this one. It was kind of a bummed out bag. Did y'all get one of these little brushes by Moda, the like unicorn brush? I think that's cute. I'll probably definitely use that. Put that in my little brush holder. And did y'all get this Sex Kitten eyeliner? It doesn't really, I just tried to wipe it off, or not wipe it off, but rub it off, and it doesn't really go anywhere. I might have to use that. Tarte's a good brand. I like it. And I think I like this. You know, y'all know I like oils, so. And the bag, of course, was to draw on and whatnot. I might, like I said, I might give that to my niece. Because, you know, she's 10 and she likes to do stuff like that. Well, I know this was kind of a short video, but now I'm just kind of bummed out. I mean, I guess I got more products that I like than stuff that I don't. But it's just irritating when you get products that you don't, when you know you're not going to use them. But I'm just being negative. Sorry, guys. Alright, y'all. So I guess that's the end of this video. I'm sorry it was kind of short, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come on back to my channel on those days for new content. And let me know what I haven't done that you'd like to see and review. And yeah. Let me know what you got in your boxes, because I'd love to know, or bag, whatever you get. And, yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. I'll talk to you later.